Yesterday to all, my name is Sangeet Doje of class 10S. I'm in SIP School Improvement Plan. We had S7 tests in the month of September. I got less marks in science and maths. Therefore, I realized that I should be doing a serious study by now. So, we, the candidate of SIP, got extra classes after school and learn a lot from peer groups too. To achieve our milestone and SMART goals, we appeared 2 trial tests and many retests. Where our results were much better, we will do our best coming exam.
Test delegate everyone. My name is Tanis Annam, and today I want to share my feelings on behalf of all the candidates in SIP. We all performed poorly in SA1 and trial exam. So our teachers selected us to give extra teaching. We are lucky and we got lots of extra teaching from teachers and assigned peer tutor. Really enjoyed the facility and will sure give you a better result. Thank you so much.
Tashi Dilek, for the School Improvement Plan project, the school principal had chosen class 10 Science and Maths. In the school, there are 4 sections of class 10, section D, S, B and P. Teaching these sections, we have 2 science teachers and 2 maths teachers. For the project, we took the result of the first summative assessment given in September as the baseline. Therein, there were 11 students who had got less than 33% in either science or math or both, and these students formed the target group. For these 11 students who formed the target group, extra classes, peer teaching and teacher-student peer teaching were provided after class for achieving the SMART goals. In the class, these students were given an extra individual attention. They then sat for the 2 trial exams along with all other students in October. Most of the students in the target group showed vivid improvement in their result. Now, in order to achieve the milestone, they were asked to sit for a retest in November. In this, there was a marked difference. Almost all of the students in the target group had done much better than their performance in the first summative assessment as baseline. That's all. We would like to thank the school principal, the headmaster and the subject teachers for their assistance in this project. Thank you.
Tashdile, I'm happy to express my view on behalf of teachers in this SIP project. Regarding this SIP processing, we took lots of sincere steps forward to pay our utmost attention to reach up to each and every individual students in the list without affecting and minimizing our attention towards the teaching learning processes. We are able to enhance the practice of peer teaching, one-on-one guidance, listening to students and helping them to build stronger and increase consistency in catching up with all. In short, after a series of meetings with our school principal and with her full-fledged support, we all performed our best. May all our students come out with flying colorful result in the upcoming CBSE board exam. Thank you so much.